Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about conjunctivitis. And so just so you know what conjunctivitis is, this is when your eyes turn red. The conjunctiva is a membrane that covers the eye and it has blood vessels in it. And when the blood vessels are small, you can't see them. But if something happens and they become inflamed, then you start to see the blood vessels, and that's the red eye. So, and there's all sorts of different causes of conjunctivitis. So what is it? It is inflammation of the conjunctiva. And the conjunctiva is a mucous membrane. So it's just a membrane that's designed to protect your eyes. It contains mucus in it. Okay, so you just get inflammation. Like I said, there's always blood vessels there. The most common cause, it is caused by, this is the most common cause. There's a whole bunch of things that can cause conjunctiva or conjunctivitis. Haemophilus influenza. And you may recall earlier in the year we covered Haemophilus influenza as a cause of pneumonia. Okay, Haemophilus influenza bacteria. Simply just rubbing your eyes, you can get conjunctivitis, but we're talking about bacterial causes of it right here. Okay, so caused by Haemophilus influenza bacteria. Pseudomonads can also cause it. If you remember, we covered the pseudomonads. We talked about swimmer's ear. We talked about this being in MOPS, in hospitals and things such as that. Okay, but pseudomonads can cause it also. And can cause serious eye damage. Okay, so the pseudomonas can also cause serious eye damage with this. Okay, the people it's most likely to affect are contact lens wearers. And the reason being is because of the fact that you have the contact on there and it gives microbes a place to grow. This is why it's important to make sure you take your contacts out long periods of time. Okay, so not too many people use homemade contact lens solution anymore. You usually just buy it now. But it was more common in contact lens wearers when people would make their own contact lens solution at home, simply because if people didn't wash their hands, you got microbes into the contact solution. So it's more common in people who use homemade contact lens solution. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Okay, and this is a pretty extreme example of of conjunctivitis here. You can see there's a lot of redness in there. This is more commonly what we see is just a slight redness of the eye. And you can see how the blood vessels are, you can see the blood vessels themselves. If we go down and just look in here, there's blood vessels down in there. But that's basically conjunctivitis.